Hi guys, what's up? How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mithali, your About Mithali, and today's video is a little different. No, it is not a random vlog, it is not a chaotic vlog, anything, but this video is a haul video. Finally, I wanted to do a haul video since a very long time, since I started YouTube channel, and finally today I am here with a haul. This is a mini haul. So those trending tops, the tie-up tops. Wanted to try since a very long time, and here I am. I'm wearing one. This is from Myntra. All the tops are from Myntra, and let's see how it looks on me. Without further delay, let's start the video. This is outfit number 1, and this is a cute top which I got. It has 3 tie-up options over here, and it has a neck something like this, and there's a cute slit over here. How cute it looks. It's very pretty, and it has a back option. This is how my back looks like. Okay, so this is L size, and I think M would be better in case in case I want to keep it. L is bigger for me, and I like it. The material is also very thick, and it's good. It's a top-notch quality of this top. I like it overall, and it costed me something around this much. And yeah, it has cute sleeves also. See, I like such tops, it makes you look more cuter. Let me know if you like this top or you want me to skip this top. So this is outfit number 2, and this is a shirt kind of a thing. It's a plain white shirt. It has a little design. Can you see? Boxes kind of a design, can you see here? And it has 3 tie-ups. Again, I'm wearing a white slip inside. It does not come with any slip or anything, and this is again L size, and I feel it's just too big for me. M would be better, but again, this is not my style. But in case you like such collar, you can see the collar details over here. The collar looks like this. See, it's cute, it's classy, but it does not suit me. And in case this is your vibe, so you can try this one. So this is top number 3, and I like it. As you can see, it has kind of chicken curry and kind of that kind of a work, and it's cotton, so it's breathable. You can wear it for summers, and it has like detailed small tie-up options. 1 2 3 4 tie-up options are there in this top. And what I don't like in this is, I like how overall it is looking, but the only thing is, it's not looking cute or decent from here. Can you see? They have given a small slip inside to wear, although I don't like it over here. I think this I ordered in M size. I have to check which size is this. Even if I order L size, it's not going to fit properly. I don't know. I like the material. I like this. I like such kind of tops, but this front thing, whichever is going on, which is happening over here, doesn't look good. Please let me know in the comments, should I keep this or return it, because I'm not sure whether it's looking nice. So do let me know in the comments. So this is top number 4, outfit number 4, and I know I actually ordered this thinking that it has front tie-ups, but when it came and I opened this, I saw there were no tie-ups. But although I liked it, it's pretty nice. Let me show you from below. Can you see how cute it looks? It looks very nice. It is like it comes till here, so you can wear it with anything. You can pair it with anything. It's very cute. This I ordered in M size. I'll show you from behind. This is how it looks from behind. It does not have any tie-up options, but as you can see, there are tops here, so it looks very classy and decent. Yeah, so I might keep it, but the only thing is I feel tight over here, and I need to check with mama in case this material would shrink after wash. It's a little bit tight, not very much, but I like it. It's so cute. Oh yeah, it has a slit. I'm sorry. it has a slit here. It's not visible that much because of the flare. I like such tops. This I might keep it. I don't know. Let me know which tops I can keep it and which do not. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. It was a mini haul, I know, but I promise I'm going to come with more haul vlogs. Let me know in the comments section which top did you like from this haul, and also what kind of things would you like to see, you know, any fashion related, accessories, home decor related, or anything. I would really love to do that haul. I liked the black and white which I wore, and the third top. Second was not my vibe, clearly. Third top was very cute. I liked it so much, but the only thing is, I don't know. Just let me know about the front tie up. And the fourth one also, I like it. I'm not going to keep everything because honestly I don't have enough space at my home, but and also there are lot of clothes, so I might keep two. Just let me know which two should I keep. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my video, and see you soon in my next vlog. Bye.